Good morning and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day, where I show you guys some really healthy, easy, delicious meals that of course not only are good for you, but taste good too. They're also gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, and mainly grain-free. It is a Saturday morning. I've been having just a slow morning with my dark roast black coffee. Make it in a French press, nothing fancy. You make it, you pour it. I've always drank my coffee black ever since I first started drinking coffee, and it's definitely my favorite thing of the day. However, what I really like to put in it lately is the Element chocolate salt. So it adds like a little bit of hydration to your coffee, a hint of chocolate, and it's so good first thing in the morning. And I've also had a full bottle of water so far. But let's make breakfast. I have been on a smoked salmon kick, so I'm gonna have like a smoked salmon cream cheese on sourdough type of deal. So this is the dairy-free cream cheese I use. It's by far my favorite from Violife. We have some smoked salmon. We're gonna toast the sourdough. Let's get going. So here we have our delicious smoked salmon cream cheese sourdough toast. So excited to dig in. Salmon is so good for your brain, and then with the toasted sourdough and the cream cheese, it's just perfect. So I'm just about to head to the gym and I'm making some of my electrolyte water. You guys know Element has been a ride or die for over a year now. I use it every single day. I'm just putting some watermelon salt into it. My other favorites are the citrus and the raspberry, unless I'm making like a smoothie or coffee, in which I like the chocolate one. But this has made a night and day difference, and so many of you guys have told me that after you tried it, it made a night and day difference in how you felt in your energy levels, in your muscles. Also, a lot of the time, cravings in between meals can be a sign of electrolyte imbalance. So that's helped both me and a lot of you with this. It is so yummy, plus all the ingredients are really clean. A lot of other electrolyte powders, like you guys know, I'm very picky. My standards are very high when it comes to these things, and it is the cleanest stuff that you can get and will make a big difference. So if you feel like, oh, electrolytes will probably make me feel better, chances are it's going to. Definitely pick up your own free sample pack. Free sample pack. All you have to do is pay shipping, and it's like $5, and you get to try 8 packs. So there's 8 different packs in there. You guys can try it. Let me know which one is your favorite, but Element, I carry it in my purse. I brought it to Florida. I brought it to Tulum. If there was like a top 3 things I have every single day, Element is like number 1 for sure. You guys know. It's part of the Keep Up With Liv essential pack. And one last thing I will mention also is that it is no sugar in them. So it's only 2 carbs, no sugar, which a lot of other ones have like fake sugars in them, and these ones don't. So thumbs up from me. So for lunch, I'm gonna make taco bowls. We're gonna do like a little lime rice, but I'm gonna do an organic turkey and like mushroom mix. So it's kind of like, I haven't done like taco type bowls like this before. So I'm gonna do it this way. I think it sounds yummy. Yeah, so I'll show you what you need. So I'm using ground turkey, but you can use ground chicken or of course ground beef. And then this saute blend from Whole Foods, which has cremini, shiitake, and sliced mushrooms. It's so good. We'll need onion, pepper, some tomatoes on the top, some tomato paste for like the sauce that the meat is going to be in, the mushroom meat mixture. I got some guac from Whole Foods on this top, and this is the taco seasoning I like. We're going to use some other ones, but I'm going to use this at the end to kind of throw it all together. our taco bowls, a little hers and his. We got the guac, tomatoes, the ground like taco meat, a little bit of lime to squeeze on top, cauliflower rice, spring mix. So yum. So I just got back from the dog park and I'm having a little snack. We have nut butter and yogurt. I added collagen for protein, and then my toppings are going to be some organic raspberries and these huge chocolate gems. These are really clean ingredients. I put like 5 of them on the top. So with the chocolate, the raspberry, the nut butter, yogurt, and then the collagen. I don't snack too often, but for some reason I am extra hungry today, so I'm having this as like a snack. And this is something that either have like a larger version of this for breakfast, as you guys have seen, or I make a smaller version as a snack. All right, I'm about to make dinner. It's a lot of like leftovers that are in the fridge. So I have some cauliflower I'm gonna roast up, some zucchini, chicken, simple, but like what's left in the fridge kind of, but still obviously delicious. Right, and then the seasoning for the cauliflower is gonna be some avocado oil, coconut aminos, this umami seasoning from Trader Joe's, and some garlic powder. So this is dinner. It's a little like less extravagant than I think you think my normal meals are or when I show them. But honestly, this is very realistic. It's just zucchini roasted, cauliflower with the special seasoning, and then there's some chicken in there. Super simple and easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed that what I eat in a day. Do not forget to get your own sample pack of Element if you haven't yet. So many of you guys, it's becoming your ride or die, and you're gonna see why it's mine. So check that out below. Like I said, it's like $5 for the shipping, and you get to try 8 packets of it. And I will also leave my last what I eat in a day here on the screen, so you can check that out after this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.